Look at this. My garden gave me a real surprise today. A mysterious package in gold wrapping landed right here. Oh, the box is quite large, but it's surprisingly light. I can't wait to see what's inside. Any guesses? Let's tear off this gold paper and, finally, it's my new long-awaited gift, an air fryer. I've been looking for a helper like this to make cooking faster and easier for a long time. It looks so sleek, but let's put it to the test right away. Today's lunch is all about healthy and delicious comfort food. We're starting with some rustic-style jacket potatoes. Minimal oil, yet the result promises to be perfectly crispy. Next up, a salmon steak. And you know what the best part is? While the air fryer is doing its magic, the kitchen stays spotless. No grease splatters, no mess. It's a total game changer for everyday cooking. For dessert, I decided to make baked pears. In the air fryer, it caramelizes in just a few minutes, becoming incredibly tender and fragrant. It's one of those healthy desserts that basically makes itself. And here it is, the perfect result. Looking at this table, I'm convinced. An air fryer isn't just a fancy gadget. It's an essential household helper that saves time and keeps your meals healthy. If you're still wondering if you need one, the answer is a definite yes. Bon appetit, and see you in the next video.